got another package. Alright, I'll go check it out. What do we got here? We got a big box today. Welcome back. Got another unboxing video. This one is from MajorSurplus.com. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. And let's go ahead and open this up. I already did a slice on the main part. Let's just open the side parts here. Okay, there shouldn't be too many things, even though it's a big box. But looks like we got some packing peanuts. I'm sure there's a packet list in here or not. This is going to be messy. All right. Well, this is a Romanian parka. Looks like they gave me a free item as well, too. Let's see what this is all about here. They had a special offering. Oh, look at that. Protective masks. Thank you. Set that aside. It's going to be messy. Yeah. Okay, don't hold me to it. I think this is a M93 parka. Let's see. Quick label up there. Care instructions. There's a liner. Nice. Quite heavy. Buttons on the top, side buttoning area right here for flap. So side opening pockets on both sides. Shoulders are sewn down. I'm not going to try to budge those. Reinforced shoulders, reinforced lower area. We have drawstring on the sleeve cuffs. Parka is wool. I mean, the liner is wool. Duh. Very tight button right here. Okay. Let's see. It's buttoned on attachments. Various drawstrings right there. The sleeves are smooth. Nice feature there. A large button attachment at the top. And two more there. Interesting. Very interesting flap there. Okay, anything else on the inside real quick? I don't see anything. Real glance. Okay. And reaching in, got a large item. Plus side. Let's see if there is a restaurant. Yes, there is. Yeah, so those were KN95 multi-layer disposable masks earlier. There's a Romanian cold weather Camo Parka, and this, I'm not going to take it out, is a British Anti-Riot topper with face shield blue. Very interesting. Get it out of this bag real quick. They do a very good job wrapping, I must say. Oh man, this thing looks freaking new. Wow. Let's see if we can get this open. It's a very nice piece of collectible material here. See the visor. I'm going to show that part right there. Serial number, chevrons, for sound to get through. And then you should be wearing your hearing protection anyways. Trying to see if I can get that to show up. I'm going to move the camera real quick. There we go. Well, still too much glare. Sorry. Bad at this. Why are you so bad at this? I don't know. Well, you can get an idea. It's a Guardian Mark II helmet, made in England, supplied by MLA Limited. So we got a size, a batch number, manufacture date, and there's actually some disclaimers. So there are quite a bit. I'm not going to read them. It's actually hard for me to read, but let's see. Let's set this back up here. Again, it's got a neck protection area. It's kind of a vinyl, I believe. Doesn't quite feel like leather. I could be wrong though. There's 3 sections here that overlap. Give you neck protection. This is pretty hard, like a motorcycle helmet. This flips up. Chin strap, cup, chin cup. Very nice. So that's all I got, just 2 items. Very large box. Again, this is from MajorSurplus. And check them out, MajorSurplus.com. And they ship out of the US. And go check them out. They carry a variety of items. Check out some of my other unboxing videos. And thanks for watching.